Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Defender X-Dynamic HSE finished in the very stylish Hakuba Silver. It's a 3-litre diesel, providing a huge amount of practicality throughout, and it's sitting on those stunning 22-inch gloss black alloys, working well with the black exterior pack. We've also got the rear privacy glass, really enhancing the exterior styling. This vehicle does come equipped with 7 seats. These can be easily lowered to provide a huge amount of boot space, very practical, perfect for larger families. Showing you the interior now, you have got the Ebony Interior, very comfortable to be in. Climate control panel in the rear. Meridian sound system sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle, and the electric memory driver's seat. Very well presented dashboard, I'm sure you'll agree. And it does come equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle. Always nice to have. It's also got the clear sight interior rear view mirror. This can be easily switched between. You've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera, working in hand with your front and rear parking aid, ensuring full confidence when getting into those tighter spaces. Ease of access to a huge range of other features. These do include your climate front seats there as well. Perfect for use all year round. And you've got your wireless device charger and your centre console refrigerator compartment. Perfect for all of those longer journeys. For more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.